Medan, located in North Sumatra, is the third largest city in Indonesia after Jakarta and Surabaya. It is renowned for its remarkable ethnic and cultural diversity resulting from a process of acculturation. Indonesia has undeniably become a sought-after destination for foreigners. Aside from the Dutch colonialists, various Asian communities migrated and settled across different regions of Sumatra. Medan has emerged as a favored destination for foreigners in search of opportunities and other pursuits. One notable village shaped by cultural blending is Kampung Madras. Let's explore the historical narrative and life of the Tamil community in Kampung Madras. During the 19th century, the Tamil people from India were among the ethnic groups that arrived in Medan, North Sumatra. They initially came to work as laborers in plantation industries, particularly tobacco plantations, in the region. Some Tamil individuals also arrived for trading purposes, although they did not establish permanent settlements. According to the Aginya Stiesnu Bengkulu Journal, the Tamil community's migration to North Sumatra was prompted by the establishment of plantation industries in Tanah Delhi. Alongside Tamil laborers, individuals from Chinese and Javanese backgrounds also joined the workforce in these industries. The number of laborers increased significantly with each passing year. In 1900, the journal reported a total of 58,516 Chinese laborers and 3,270 Tamil laborers. Driven by their pursuit of better opportunities, Tamil laborers ventured far from their homeland and formed settlements around the plantation areas and in the city of Medan. Some of those who settled in Medan and its surrounding regions chose to make it their permanent home. Over time, they developed social bonds with the Batak people, leading to a process of acculturation. Economically, the Tamil community in North Sumatra generally faced more hardships compared to the native population. Two distinct groups, the Tamil and Sikh people, arrived in Indonesia. However, due to differences in their places of origin, religion, and livelihoods, they lived separately. Tamil Muslims have been present in the region since 1887 and established a social institution known as the South Indian Muslim Foundation and Welfare Committee. During that period, the Sultan of Delhi donated 2 plots of land to build mosques, including the Gaudiya Mosque. Initially, the Tamil community maintained strong social practices reflecting their homeland's culture. However, as time passed and through interactions with the local population, the two cultures began to blend harmoniously, enriching the cultural diversity of North Sumatra and Medan. As some Tamil individuals sought better opportunities, they decided to settle permanently. It was during this period that they inhabited a street called Jalan Zainal Arifin, formerly known as Jalan Calcutta. Situated near the river, this settlement served as a significant transportation route for the local population in the past. With a substantial Tamil population residing in the area, the people of Medan commonly referred to it as Kampung Madras. Historically, the residents of Medan often called Kampung Madras Kampung Kelaying, due to the dark complexion of Tamil individuals who lived there. Presently, Kampung Madras is not solely inhabited by people of Indian descent. It accommodates individuals from various regions, including the Chinese, Acehnese, Javanese, and Malay communities. While the presence of the Gaudiya Mosque symbolizes the Indian community in Medan, the architectural aesthetics and ambience surrounding Kampung Madras strongly reflect Indian influences. The location of Kampung Madras stands out in contrast to the surrounding buildings as it is adjacent to properties and shops owned by the local residents of Medan. However, the richness of cultural diversity is prominently felt in this unique place.